Okay, in previous video we have talked about this logout view. Well, let's see the dashboard. Well, we have seen the dashboard. When I click on this add article, means still this highlight is not on add article. So I want something or some options that this highlight should be on this article, add article or create article. When I click on this add article, okay, how can I do that? Let's see the dashboard, or in the dashboard we have here sidebar. Well, let's see this dashboard, and after that we have article list and add article. Okay, so here we have something like nav item, and after that we have a link. In the link we have something like nav link. Okay, so this active class is like all the thing is related to this active class. Wherever this active class is shown, so all the things or that part will be as active. Okay, let's do something here. I want to have this URL the same, and after that we have this class. In this class I want to use something after this nav class. Okay, I want to open a condition here. So in the condition I tell that f request dot, we have something like resolver match dot URL name. So if this part is equal to as home, means if this is in home, then show the active. Well, the active will be like this here, and if. Okay, we have only this part. If request dot resolver underscore match dot URL name, means wherever this URL will be, so this should be active. Okay, we want to copy and paste it here after this URL link. Okay, so even we can paste it here. Okay, it is done. Let's refresh this. I have this article list. Everything looks very bad. You know why? Because we have here this home. I want to have article create, and I think for now it is not needed so much because we do not have any URL for this. Let's refresh once again. Okay, we have this article list, and then when I click on article active add article, so this will be here on this part. Okay, this is very nice. It looks very great. Now along with this we want to have something else as well, like article preview. So we have seen here something like view an article, view and site. Well, we have this delete, publish, and everything. Okay, let's have something else like view article. For example, there are some articles like in draft or in rejected. The article is rejected, so that should be like viewed, so the user can view that article. When I click on that, so it should be viewed in the site like this. Okay, for example, it should be like this, because for all user cannot be seen like that, but only for the user as author. Okay, someone is author of that article. Let me see this. Okay, we have here something like article create and article list we have, and in block we have also the same thing like articles. Okay, in view of the blog we see here article detail. Okay, I want to copy and paste this because this is needed. Article preview. Okay, we have this article preview, and the article preview will be detail view as well. So in article preview we have here we do not have slab, we have here pk. Okay, we want to take Okay, and instead of this slug we have to have the pk. That's good. Let's see the URL. In the URL we have seen the article detail. Okay, so article detail, I want to have one copy from this article detail. Here instead of this article we have this view, and slug will be like pk, and here we have the article. Okay, let's see this from view. We have it from view. Okay, article detail will be the article preview, and this will be as preview. It's very clean and it's very nice. Okay, we have seen this, and now let's see one more thing from this part of like home.html. Okay, we have here home.html. In home.html we have something like this. Well, we say that if article.status is well published, and have this published, and after it we will have well this thing, blog detail, view and site. Okay, we have this view and site, and we just copy this part. We have here something like blog review article pk. So instead of this view and site, preview. Everything is nice. You can see here like this is preview option. When I click on it, nothing is found. Why it is like that? No article matches the query. Okay, we have here something like this. Okay, I refresh this and let's see. It works now. So what was the issue? Objects.published, which it tells that all the objects which are published show that, but here we see that there is no object is published. It means the condition is if the object is published or the article is published, don't show that. If the article is in draft, that show that thing. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, we have seen this.